Ram to recall more than 220,000 trucks for brake shifter interlock. Ram will voluntarily recall about 181,000 trucks in the US, as well as 42,000 trucks in Canada, 4,000 trucks in Mexico, and 1,400 trucks elsewhere, for a potential issue with the Brake Transmission Shift Interlock, BTSI, feature. Affected are 2017 to 2018 Ram 2500 and 3500 pickups, 2017 to 2018 Ram 3500, 4500, and 5500 chassis cabs, and a small number of 2017 to 2018 Ram 1500 pickups. The BTSI, which requires the brake to be applied before the vehicle can be shifted out of park, may overheat in certain situations. Fiat Chrysler Automobiles says the issue is present on trucks with column-mounted gear shifters, in which the BTSI may fail when subjected to long periods of brake pedal application while the vehicle is in park. If so, the truck may be shifted out of park, even without the brake pedal applied or a key in the ignition, resulting in a potential rollaway risk. Obviously, such risk is mitigated when the parking brake is applied, as FCA recommends in its owner's manuals. Nevertheless, the automaker will advise owners of the affected trucks when they may schedule service. FCA also reminds customers to use their parking brakes whenever the vehicle is stopped and to follow the recommended operating instructions found in the owner's manual. The company is not aware of any accidents, incidents, injuries, or deaths that pertain to this recall. It follows a similar recall from last year that applied to trucks from model years 2010 to 2017.